Hey, Bumbleclad, Deeman, you look pregnant. You have a pregnant.
I feel look pregnant, you know, I'm a man. I feel look pregnant. I feel look pregnant.
Deeman, you look like when the female them reach all 9 months. You look like when me ready for have. You know some woman when them ready for have baby, and them mouth swell, their nose swell, their eye swell. You look like you have 2 more days to go give birth. Just go to the hospital.
So are you mean that my hands are swollen? All my face are swollen right now?
Yes, I mean, I go call one name say you look like somebody, but me love the person. Me not so safe tonight. But you do look like you're ready to go down to the hospital.
Why am I in the hospital? Am I sick? Oi, look for me. Me not sick, make a
No,
sick.
you don't look sick, but you look like you're ready to push.
I wanna be Jesus. Me not sick. That is the man. Me not sick.
Then I say your nose always swell.
No, my nose is not always swell. Maybe if my nose has swell, maybe my nose has seen something special.
Deeman look like when you watch African show and the rich people them have you look like one of the man them will work at the gate. And
Get man? What you say? Ivan, what you say? Jesus Christ. I might look like I get man for true.
Deeman, come open this gate now. Deeman, open this gate now. You sleeping and you working. Hey, open this gate now, Deeman.